Open a Gmail. Over here in the search mail, just type, let's say, Instagram. Now you'll see there are a number of email coming from the Instagram. To filter them out, what I can do is click on one of the email. Then over the right hand upper corner, you will see three dots. Click over there and you will see the option filter message like this. Click over here. So it will take a message from the Instagram. So this is the true is myself. So we don't need to change anything over here. You can go and click on the create filter. So over here you skip the inbox, so it will archive automatically, but you can also apply the label. So let's select the label. If there is no defined label, you can define a new label, and this one is Instagram. Create a new label. If you want a next label under some other folder, you can do that one as well, but at this point I just want to create a new label for these email coming from the Instagram. So hit on the create button, and at the end you will also find also apply filter to matching conversation. So whatever conversation right now we have in the email, it will apply to those conversation as well. There are several other options. I will suggest you to go and explore those options, but at this point I just want to show how to group them automatically, and then click on the create filter. So now you will see it has created the filter, and all your Instagram email, they got moved to a new folder called Instagram. So if you go and click on the inbox, you will not see those email anymore. For example, now just click on the Instagram. All these emails coming from the Instagrams are already stored in this new folder. So in the future, even if you get any new email, it will automatically go into the Instagram instead of in the inbox.